The 67 BWA Series is a direct-drive roller motor developed specifically for the automated logistics industry by 3X Motion. It enables load start capability and operates efficiently on high-speed conveyor lines with speeds ranging from 60 to 120 meters per min, making it a core driving component for cross-belt sorting systems. Designed with an S3 25% duty cycle, it handles frequent start-stop operations. The roller motor features a 67 mm diameter, a carbon steel shell with a zinc-plated surface, and supports bidirectional belt movement. Its compact and durable design allows for flexible system layouts, greatly enhancing parcel sorting efficiency. Driven by a servo motor, this series communicates via RS-485 protocol for precise positioning and millimeter-level response, minimizing the risk of cargo damage. Drive voltage 48 VDC. Rated torque 4.0 Nm. Rated current 9.3 A. Rated power 200 watt. No load speed 1100 RPM. Weight 3.45 kilograms. The motor's gearbox-free design significantly reduces daily maintenance and failure rates. Its optimized structure also lowers vibration and noise during operation, delivering a superior user experience.